future. Electrified. The future of all electric driving. The next evolution of Toyota's all-electric lineup is here. Designed for those who demand more from their all-electric vehicle. More range, more technology, more driving acceleration. Featuring a streamlined silhouette and an intelligent all-wheel drive system, BZ isn't just another all-electric SUV. It's a statement. Inside, the intuitive digital controls keep the driver in command, while next-gen battery technology is designed to help ensure efficiency without compromise. Built for the future, ready for today, the 2026 Toyota BZ redefines what it means to drive electric. All-electric by nature, intuitive by design, BZ redefines the all-electric driving experience. Its rechargeable traction battery has a manufacturer-estimated driving range rating of up to 314 miles for front-wheel models, or up to 288 miles on all-wheel drive models, inspiring confidence in its performance. This impressive driving range is complemented by enhanced electric motors with up to 338 total system horsepower on all-wheel drive models for a responsive, exhilarating drive. The 2026 BZ also comes equipped with a standard NACS charging port, unlocking access to thousands of NACS DC fast charging stations across North America. This means more choices, more convenience, and a lot more confidence on every drive. Enjoy versatile charging options with BZ. DC fast charging from a low battery light to 80% can take approximately 30 minutes under ideal conditions. The newly added battery preconditioning function is designed to help maximize DC fast charging performance in colder temperatures, giving drivers confidence in BZ's year-round electric capability. Better yet, BZ supports plug-and charge technology with an active remote connect trial or subscription for use at public charging stations, doing away with the need for multiple app logins. The station authenticates the vehicle automatically and processes payments behind the scenes. Finally, the upgraded 11-kilowatt onboard charger means drivers are now able to take advantage of higher capacity Level 2 chargers wherever they're available. While actual charge times vary based on weather and other factors, including the station's power output, the new capability allows BZ to make the most out of every charge. The 2026 BZ exudes modern sophistication. Sporting an updated front bumper and lower grille, the exterior also features a revised ducktail rear spoiler crafted and designed to help maximize style and driving dynamics. Available 20-inch alloy wheels and split-roof rear spoilers spice up BZ's progressive design with sporty flair. A standard hands-free power liftgate adds everyday convenience, while the available pillarless panoramic moonroof enhances the cabin's spacious feel. Inside, premium features like the standard heated steering wheel, available 8-way power adjustable front passenger seat, available heated and ventilated front seats, an available front radiant heater, and available heated rear seats elevate comfort for all. A 1500-watt AC outlet expands BZ's versatility, powering devices for any adventure. BZ offers plenty of standard intuitive technologies. With the standard digital key capability and an active remote connect trial or subscription, a smartphone unlocks seamless and convenient access to this future-forward SUV. Inside, an expansive 14-inch touchscreen is equipped with the user-friendly Toyota Audio Multimedia platform, 4 standard USB-C charge ports, and 2 Qi-compatible wireless chargers are designed to add convenience and help devices stay powered up on any journey. Additionally, BZ features standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and music subscriptions. Wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. For an immersive listening experience, the available 9-speaker JBL premium audio system plays everything from podcasts to road trip playlists in vivid clarity. Innovation extends beyond connectivity. BZ comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, proactive driving assist, standard front and rear parking assist with automatic braking, along with available panoramic view monitor and advanced park, are designed to help maneuver in tight spaces. There's even a digital rear view mirror that's designed to help provide a clear, wide-angle view behind the vehicle. The 2026 BZ embodies Toyota's commitment to cutting-edge all-electric vehicle technology. From its impressive driving range and refined performance to its intuitive connectivity and striking design, BZ sets a new standard. And BZ includes Toyota Care, providing 2 years or 25,000 miles of scheduled maintenance, whichever comes first, and 3 years, unlimited mileage of 24-hour roadside assistance. Plus, an 8-year or 100,000-mile warranty on electric vehicle drive components, whichever comes first, provides an added peace of mind. BZ is the future of all electric driving. Today. Explore the possibilities at Toyota.com.